So as you can see, this didn't go to plan at all. Currently my last position is down 600%, well almost 600%, and in this video I kind of want to take you through the process that got me here, talk about my wins and my losses, and of course luckily this was with a very small amount of money. As you can see, currently I'm only losing like $3 with 25 times leverage. I sort of started this account to learn how futures work, to trade with leverage and to gain experience and gradually increase the sums of money that I'm comfortable trading with. So I started in this account with I think $10, then I managed to double it to $20 in like one day, and with this last trade that I made I'm currently losing like $3, and the only reason I'm not closing down this position is because liquidation price is pretty high, as you can see, and I think that's very unlikely that this project will ever reach this liquidation price again, which is right over here. Because I chose to trade this project because it's a dying project, and I decided to short it for that very reason. This is a dying project and the website is already closed down, so I thought, what better opportunity for a short than a dying project which has already closed down its doors and started to refund people. And yeah, that's why I'm keeping the position open, because I think it will go down and probably make me like $5 in the end. Patience is key right here. So let's go over the mistakes that you should probably not make that I made. As you know, trading with leverage is extremely risky for the sole reason that you can get liquidated very easily. And liquidation means that Binance closes down the position if it reaches a certain threshold and your whole account pretty much gets wiped out. So to avoid that, it's very important to set stop losses. So if things are starting to go south for your open position, your position is automatically closed to avoid further losses. And of course, it's as equally important to set up take profit orders, which are orders that actually execute at a certain price to take profit for you. And as you can see, for this particular position, I do have take profit set up, and it's way down here. As I said, this is a dying project, and if it actually goes this far down, my take order will be automatically executed and I will make like 600% gain. So now let's talk how I initially went from $10 to doubling my money to $20. What I did is used one of the most popular strategies when it comes to trading, which is buy low, sell high, right? Very funny. But anyways, that's what I did exactly. I drew this very amateurish lines of support and resistance and tried to sort of trade between these lines. And since you know this project is mostly on the downtrend, if we take a look, at the larger picture, I was more keen on opening short orders than long orders. So yeah, I think that's one of the easiest strategies to execute right now if you're a complete beginner. Let's take a look what's happening right now. It looks like this is mostly trading sideways for the most part, right? So what we would do to make a quick scalping trade, and I'm not saying this as any sort of expert or anything like that. I'm completely new to this and I'm taking you through my thought process, which is most likely flawed. But anyways, what I would do in this instance, after the price has actually climbed up for some time, is I would open a short order here. So what happened here was that price was climbing for quite a bit. Then it tried to test the resistance again, it failed and it started to go down. So I'd actually open a short order right about here. And how you do that is actually click on market right here, select the value in the position that you want to open in USDT. So in my instance, I always open positions with almost all my portfolio. Then you can select leverage if you want to play around with that. I use maximum leverage just to see what would happen. Then you can open a short order. I'm not going to do that right now, since I already have one order open and I don't want to wreck my entire account. But anyways, that's how I would generally go about that. Then since I didn't actually place any stop orders or take profits, I would watch the charts and see what happened. And once the price moved quite a bit in my favor, I would actually then take profit. And that's how I actually managed to double my money from $10 to $20. Okay guys, that about wraps up the video. Consider subscribing to follow me in this future trading journey. Bye.